Good morning students, I am Vikas Kumar. I am going to teach you class 7 math exercise 2B. Class 7 math exercise 2B. Exercise 2B. Find the product. First question. First of all, 3 by 5 into 7 by 11. Product 21 by 55 answer. Question number 5 is 8 by 15 into 20. Solution 8 by 15 into 20. 5 3 is 15, 5 4 is 20. 8 4 is 32 by 3 answer. Question number 12. 5 whole 5 by 6 into 1 whole 5 by 7. Solution is 5 6 by 30 plus 35 by 6 into 7 1 is 7 5 12 by 7. 7 1 is 7 by 35 7 by 35 6 2 is 12 5 2 is 10 answers. Question number 2. Simplify. First of second question. First of second question, 2 by 3 into 4. Two by 3 into 5 by 44 into 33 by 55. 11 4 is 44, 11 3 33. 3 3 cancel. 5 11 is 55. 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4. 1 by 22 answers. 11 2 is 22. 1 into 1 into 1. Question number 6 of 3 whole 1 by 16 into 7 whole 3 by 7 into 1 whole 25 by 39. Solution 16 3 is 48, 149 by 16. 7 7 49, 3 52 by 7. 39 39, 9 plus 5 14 and 1 32 5 1 6 64 by 39. 16 only 16 4 is 64. 7 only 7 7 7 is 49. 13 3 is 39. 13 4 is 52. So answer is 4 4 is 6, 7 4 is 28. 26. Upper 16, 21 and 12. Let's see. It's equal to graph 3 3 is 9 2 3 7 21. So 37 whole 1 by 3 answer. Question number third. Find 1 by 3 of 24. 1 by 3 of 24. Solution is up means multiply 24. 3 1 is 3 and is 24. Question number 6. 5 by 11 of rupees 220. Pi by 11 up is multiply rupees 220. 11 2 is 22. So rupees 20 into 5 100. Question number 10. Pi by 6 of an year. Solution. 1 year is equal to 12 months. So pi by 6 of an year is equal to 5 by 6 of means multiply and 1 year is equal to 12 months. 6 1 is 6 to get 12. Answer is 5 to get 10 months. Answer. Question number 15 is 750 of a liter. Solution. 750 into liter. Liter means 1000 ml. Since 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. 15 is 15, 50 to get 10, 200. So answer is 7 to is 1400 ml. Answer. Now, question number 4. Apples are sold at rupees 48 for 4 by 5 per kilogram. What is the cost of 3 or 3/4 kilogram of apples? So, cost of 1 kilogram apple is rupees 48 for 4 by 5. What is the cost of 3 or 3/4 kilogram of apples? Since cost of apples of 1 kilogram, we can also write such as. It is very easy to write. Since cost of 1 kilogram apples equal to rupees 48 whole 4 by 5. Rupees 580 580 is 40 4 5 is 24 244 by 5. Therefore, cost of 3 whole 3 by 4 kilogram apples is equal to rupees 244 by 5 into 3 whole 3 4. Because cost of 1 kilogram apple is this, and so cost of 3 whole 3 4 kilogram apple just multiplied here. Rupees 244 by 5 into 12 is 15 by 4. 4 1 is 4, 4 6 is 24, and 4 1 is 4. 5 is 15. So answer is 3 1 is 3, 6 is 18. 183 answer. Now cloth is being sold at rupees 42 whole 1 by 2 per meter. The cost of 1 meter cloth is 42 whole 1 by 2 rupees. What is the cost of 5 whole 3 by 4 5 meters of this cloth? Just multiply this same as question number 4. 5 is same as question number 4. Now question number 6. A car covers a certain distance at a uniform speed of 66 by 66 whole 2 by 3 km per hour. How much distance will it cover in 9 hours? Student, question number 6. Speed of car is equal to 66 or 2 by 3 kilometer per hour. Time taken is, time given is 9 hours. This is 18. This is 18. In hand 1. This is 18 1. 19. 200 by 3 kilometers per hour. So distance is equal to what? The formula of distance is, student, just look here. Speed into time. Speed into time. So speed into time. 203 kilometer per hour into 9 hours. Hours is going to play hours. And 3 3 is 9. Two 3 is 600 kilometer answer. This is one way. You can solve also by unitary method. Question number 6 also can solve by unitary method. Now question number 8 is, for a particular show in a circus, each ticket costs rupees 35 whole 1 by 2. If 308 tickets are sold for the show, how much amount has been collected? For a particular show in a circus, each ticket costs rupees 35 whole 1 by 2. Question number 8. Cost of a ticket. Is equal to 35 whole 1 by 2 rupees. Since cost of 308 tickets. $335 for 1/2. This is the cost of one ticket and collected, and total sold ticket is 308. So we multiplied cost of one ticket with the number of total sold tickets. 71/2 into 3/100. 2 1 is 2, 2 1 is 2, 5 is 10, 2 4 is 8. Rupees 71 into 154. We multiplied just rough 154 7 by 71 154 7 4 is 28. 7 is 28 and 2 7 5 is 35 2 37 and 3 and 7 1 7 3 10 4 8 5 13 and 1 7 1 8 1 9 1 once again 7 4 is 28 7 5 35 2 37 7 1 is 7 3 10 4 8 5 13 7 8 1 9 10 9 3 4 10 9 3 4 10 9 3 4. These are the total cost. Question number 7 just your homework, but I can make understand you. 1 tin holds rupees. 1 tin holds 12 whole 3/4 liters of oil. How many liters of oil can 26 such tins hold? 1 tin holds 12 whole 3/4 liters of oil. How many liters of oil can 26 such tins hold? This is also multiplied, but we can multiply the capacity of, just so I can solve here. 7. Don't worry. The capacity of 1 tin is equal to 12 whole 3/4 liters. Therefore, the capacity of 26 tins, just multiply capacity of 1 tin by 26 liters, 26 tins liters, 12 for 20, 12 for 48, 3, 51 by 4, 26 liters. 2 to the 4, 2 13 each. 31 is 13 and 3 and 35 is 65. 31 is 13, 3 and 1. 35 is 65, 1 66 by 2 liters. 2 3 is 6, 2 3 is 6, 2 1 is 2, 1 by 2 liters. 331 whole 1 by 2 liters. Answer. Now question number 9. 9 boards are stacked on the top of each other. The thickness of each board is 3 whole 2 by 3 centimeter. How high is the stack? This is the last question, student. Question number 9. 9 boards are stacked on the top of each other. 9 boards are stacked on the top of each other. The thickness of each board is 3 whole 2 by 3 centimeter. How high is the stack? So student, here thickness of one board is 3 whole 2 by 3 centimeter. So what is the thickness of 9 such boards. Just we multiply this number by 9 because this is the thickness of one board, and if 9 boards are just stacked on the top of each other, it means thickness of 9 boards. So we multiply thickness of one board, this is the one board, by the 9. Then we will get answer. Since the shear thickness of one board is equal to 2 by 3 centimeter. Therefore, thickness of 9 such boards equal to 3 or 9 to 11 by 3 into 9 centimeter. 3 9. 33 centimeter. So, or hence, the height of HEIGST, height of a stack is equal to 33 centimeter answer. And so, okay student, please watch this video. This is the lesson of 2, exercise of 2B, and exercise of 2B, or lesson of 2B. By watching this video, you solve exercise 2B. Thanks.